Hello, welcome to Siri Bytes. In this recording session, I'm going to explain XLOOKUP function. So, XLOOKUP function is nothing but search for the lookup value in the lookup array and bring out the value for that lookup value in a particular array. Okay, this is the VLOOKUP function. So lookup value, lookup array in which column you want to look for, return array, which value you want to return in that array. If not found, what do you want to display? Match mode defines the exact match. Most of the times it's better to have exact match. And search mode. Okay, so these are optional. If not found, match mode and search mode are optional. In this sheet, the requirement is to bring out the value for Amazon. Okay, now XLOOKUP, lookup value is Amazon. Lookup array, in what array you want to look that value for? A, comma A. In this array, I want to search for the Amazon, AMZN. Return array, in the D array, I want to pick the value from and display it. This is the price, but it's just a value that it displayed, right? So my requirement is the data has to speak for whoever you are giving to. Okay, or if you are presenting, it's better to include some other data along with it, which makes sense. So for this, what I'm saying is, I'm just extending it, include a hyphen in between as a separator, and again, and I mean add to it the Amazon symbol. Okay, Amazon is what the symbol is, and the price is 237.51 based on the particular column that is available for us. Okay, now in the same one, I want to add little bit more. Add and again separator and I want to write one more XLOOKUP function. Let me remove this. In Amazon, and this time I want to pick the max price. The lookup array is this one, and look value is max price. See this. So this is the max price, but is the data speaking to us? Nope. So for that, what I'm going to say is again, and here again one more and that I added 52 weeks max price. Okay. There you go. Now Amazon price, and this is the 52 weeks max price. That's what. Okay. So based on that requirement, we use the XLOOKUP. Well, before you start, think whatever the function you are writing, will it solve the purpose or not? Okay, this is Siri Bytes. Please subscribe and ring the notification bell. Keep smiling and be happy. Signing off.